another vlog. How are you guys? It has been what, like a week and a half since our last vlog. A lot has been going on. I hope you guys are well, having a great start to February. Actually, no, I take that back. Well, not that you guys, I hope you guys aren't having a great start to February, but it's already midway through February, so I hope you guys are having a good month of February. I just finished filming 2 videos. We're gonna be heading out, running a few errands. Typically, I don't like to run errands in the later part of the day. I like to do that towards, like, you know, before lunchtime or like a little bit after lunchtime. But before we head out, I wanted to thank today's sponsor, Sojos Vision, for sponsoring a portion of today's video. Now, I'm pretty sure, like myself, many of you guys are always looking at a screen, whether we're scrolling through social media, looking up something on the internet, watching YouTube videos, we are staring at a screen. My eyes would always get really tired or blurry. Before, I would always wear prescription glasses. Only really reach for my prescription glasses if I need them, but most of the time you can catch me wearing the blue light glasses. I wanted to share with you a few of their blue light glasses. They are very affordable. They come in so many different styles. So if some of these aren't your jam, they definitely have a lot on their website. Pretty sure you guys are gonna know exactly why I adore these glasses, because they're pink. They have the cat eye style. These are called Pride. They also have the gold accents right here. It's a metal frame, and then this one right here is coated, so it is comfortable behind your ears. These also have the nose pads, which I really do like because, you know, it helps the blue light glasses stay in place. So this other one are also made of metal. It has the Tourtoise frame, which I'm also a fan of, and they just fit my face very nicely. These don't have the nose pads though, just keep in mind, but I love how they are a little bit oversized. This is definitely giving me very studious vibes, if you guys know what I mean, but they are very comfortable. Again, the sides are made of metal. This part right here is comfortable. It's not gonna hurt your ears. These are Tourtoise, but then they gradiate to clear. It is also gold, with this part being very comfortable. This also doesn't have the nose pads, but I like how this one also gives you that very studious look, don't you think? Now, these are more on the fun side. They do gradiate from like a pink purple to a blue. So definitely something a little bit different, but I love the frames. Aren't they fun? It's like that cat eye style. And these are made of plastic. It doesn't have the nose pads, but it does fit my face really well. It's not gonna like slip off. It's not uncomfortable. I love the way how these gradiate from like a pink to like almost like a lavender, and then to the light blue. Now, this last style of blue light glasses definitely is giving me like the 50s vibe, except it's very blinged out in pink, and they are these pair of blue light glasses. 50s vibe, right? It's very cute. I love the cat eye, the extreme cat eye. These rhinestones are so pretty. Let me show you the side, because it is a black frame, and these do not have nose pads, but even still, they are very comfortable. Accessories are such a great way to express yourself, and blue light glasses are no exception. I'm going to make sure to link all of these blue light glasses down below in the description box. Make sure you check it out, because there is also a giveaway. 2 of you will be winning your choice of blue light glasses from Sojos Vision. Thank you so much again to Sojos Vision for sponsoring a portion of today's video, and let's head on out. Oh my goodness, it is cold outside. I'm glad it stopped hailing. Oh, I didn't tell you guys that. It was hailing probably about 45 minutes ago. I could hear thunder, and then I started to hear rain, so I went outside, and then when I looked, it was actually hail. Check this out. It's hailing. Ow. Jeez. It was really strange weather, but we're gonna see how many errands we can run. Guys, so that was very short-lived trip to the store, because I realized I forgot my wallet when I already arrived in front of Dollar Tree. So that was just a waste of time. Let's just put it that way. I think for dinner, we are just gonna make something very quick, simple. We have some chicken in here, and it's also on the healthier side, but we're gonna season it so that it's tasty. So we're just gonna pop this in the air fryer. We gave away our pink air fryer because that one was pretty dingy. This is Darren's. He brought it back from North Carolina. This one is the Ninja air fryer and it's a lot larger than the other one, but just wish it was pink, but that's okay. This chicken is already seasoned with salt and pepper. I'm gonna fit as many as we can. I think we're good with just this amount. Set it to 390 for about 20 minutes, but we're going to check on it in about 10 minutes. It's about 7:30. I am a little bit hungry, but I don't want to overeat, so I'm just gonna drink some water while we're prepping our food. So let's get brown rice. There was a period of time where I cut out eating rice in general. I think it was like years ago. I cut out white rice, brown rice, you name it. I just stopped eating it. I would have it occasionally for having sushi or, you know, for eating like rice noodles, but of course I was still eating, you know, like burgers, stuff like that. For the past 5 to 6 months, been incorporating half a cup of brown rice either once or twice a day depending on what I'm eating, and I'm just really enjoying it. You know, I love brown rice. I'm glad that I started incorporating it, and when you're like exercising, your body needs the carbs, energy to keep you going. So my body's been feeling good, even though I'm eating, you know, the half a cup of rice with maybe 1 to 2 meals a day. No more than that, definitely. It's all about portion control. Jonathan thinks it's ridiculous that I measure it, but it makes me feel better and it keeps me also accountable. I don't think I've mentioned that in any of the vlogs, but when it comes to white rice, it's a whole different story. But brown rice, you know, I'm good with it. Completely forgot to check on this. So this is how our chicken's looking so far. Flip it over. My parents don't really like their chicken to be too crispy. Has another 10 minutes to go. Our chicken is done. Let me take it out of here so it's nice and crispy. Well, not too crispy. And we're going to season it with a carne asada seasoning. Just a very light dash. Because if you put too much of this, it can be salty. Let's put the remainder of the chicken in the air fryer. Okay, does anybody else feel this way? I feel like there should be 2 tongs, like one for when you touch the raw meat and then another tong for when the meat is cooked. Okay, there we go. We have our brown rice. Let's get our chicken. I'm gonna get 3 pieces of chicken. We have some vegetables, cauliflower and broccoli. Let's add a bit of Trader Joe's citrusy garlic. Trader Joe's green goddess over top the vegetables. I know it's a little bit loud because of the air fryer, but here's the chicken. Normally after dinner I would have one of these, like a small tiny little ice cream cone, really guilt-free, but because we've been having like sweets and stuff, I mean even in the fridge, hold on, let me show you. We have 1 piece of a mocha roll left, which I'm not gonna eat. We're gonna go for the healthier route because we've been indulging since Sunday. Then yesterday of course was Valentine's. We're gonna have some apples. Okay, we're gonna add a little dash of cinnamon because you guys know I have a sweet tooth, and this will definitely help kind of curb that craving that I have for something sweet. At least it's healthy. Dinner was delicious. Now I'm trying to figure out what to have just kind of playing in the background for white noise while I get some work done. Do you guys do that? Because I don't know, I just don't like it when it's quiet. Even at night when I go to sleep, I need to listen to something or else I will hear everything, like every tick of the clock or like every little tick of the house. It'll take me forever to fall asleep. So I think I'm just going to listen to Safe Haven on Netflix. That's with, what's his name? Josh Duhamel, Juliana Hough. We're gonna edit, and then we are still working on a video, doing a review, wear test, and I also need to get my workout done. So I'm gonna set my alarm. Set alarm for 10 p.m.
I've turned on your 10 p.m. alarm.
It is now Sunday. We're about to watch Euphoria. Comment below, have you guys been following Euphoria? The last couple days have been pretty chill. We've been at home. We did run a few errands earlier, but everything I was kind of, you know, on the hunt for, I couldn't find it. So hopefully this week, you know, we'll vlog and we'll check out and see if we find any of those. Take off the Apres nails. When I had on the Apres nails, which I painted myself, they look so pretty, but then it's just whenever I paint my nails myself, that's when, you know, we have some kind of like falling over onto the skin and all that. Did have on those nails for 16 or 17 days. 1 or 2 of them pop off on day 11, but they were like intact. They were going strong. So yeah, we're gonna give the nails a breather this week and then put them back on next week. But just wanted to share with you really quickly, have some coffee, a few PR packages which we are gonna unbox together. I'm not even sure what's in the packages. What is this? This is, oh wait, oh, this is from Booty Bag. So they did reach out, but I didn't realize that they sent over some stuff. So this is a bra. It's a matching set. So this one is in a size medium. Normally for bras or sports bras, stuff like that, I wear a medium, but I like the band of this because it's thick. I wonder if this is like a, you know, more of like a, I don't know, like a nighttime type of bra, you know, like a bra that you wear to bed, because this is not lined, so you know, you don't want any like nip slips or anything. So these are, oh, it's a thong. Ooh, this one is in a size small. So here's the front and this is the back. I prefer padded bras, but I could see myself wearing this maybe with like some sort of like, you know, like a padding, one of those little pads on it, but I do like the material. Thank you so much to Booty Bag for sending this over. Now we have a package from Kosas, and I've been enjoying their under eye concealer. Kosas Color Outside the Lines. Oh, nice. This is the Kosas Revealer Skin Improving Foundation, and it also contains SPF 25. You guys know I'm a stickler for SPF. It's medium coverage, natural, dreamy finish. A clean skin improving medium coverage foundation. Powerhouse treatment plus SPF to reveal your best, most vibrant skin without feeling makeupy. Your dream skin revealed, alive, brighter, hydrated, visibly plumped, soothed, protected, and it contains skincare that's powered by hyaluronic acid, niacinamide peptides, squalene, provitamin B5, arnica, caffeine, and artemisia flower. And the shade they sent over is medium neutral 220, medium with neutral cool undertones, which that's normally what I am, but I did self tan. I don't know if you can tell. I self tan last night. Oh my gosh, I used the Loving Tan Ultra Dark. Wow. Ultra Dark definitely gave me that like summer tan. Like I've been out and about at Six Flags Magic Mountain for, you know, a few days or so. Hopefully this will work. Hopefully, but their packaging is so sleek with Kosas. So I'm gonna have to try this out. I do also enjoy a medium coverage foundation. For those days when, you know, of course, we want to be a little bit, we don't want to, you know, go full coverage with foundation. Thank you so much to Kosas. We have one from Merit Beauty. Less is more. Signature lip, lightweight lipsticks. So this shade is called Slip, which we're gonna open together, which is, it also smells good. Curious what this is gonna look like on the lips. I can't see. The other shade is called Baby. The lipstick looks like, let's just swatch this one. Ooh, that's a really pretty, like a rosy pink. So Baby is right down here, and then this one is Slip. They feel nice and moisturizing on the lips. Thank you so much, Merit, for sending these over. I have one more here from Pop Beauty. It's a pretty big package. I wonder what's in here. What is it? Ready Prep Set. Uncomplicate your skincare routine with this energizing, hydrating, potent trio. Your skin will thank you later. Cleanse, exfoliated, reinvigorated. So this is their set. Jet Setter Anti-Fatigue Mask. This potent treatment formula will plump, energize, and help the skin beat the blues in a matter of minutes. Exfoliating pads. These pre-soaked peel pads are loaded with exfoliating and purifying agents, putting clearer and brighter skin up for the win. Well, this looks interesting. Anything for exfoliation, I'm all about it. Fizz Jelly Cleanser. This light textured jelly face wash thoroughly removes impurities and makeup residue, refreshing and revitalizing the complexion. Ooh, does this contain calamansi? And then they even include a headband. Ooh, pretty. Love the color. It's like it's a periwinkle color, right? Thank you so much, Pop Beauty, for sending these over. I'm gonna give you guys some feedback. I know with skincare, sometimes it does take me a while to review it, but skincare does take time, and you know, I have been trying out some new products, so definitely in a monthly favorites video I'll update you with, you know, products I've been enjoying. Anyway, chickies, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed hanging out the past few days. If you did, please make sure you give this vlog a like, subscribe if you have not already. Would love for you to be part of the Chickie crew. Thank you, chickies, so much for watching. Stay safe and healthy, and I will see you in the next vlog. Mwah.